This was really the most important day of my life when I got this surgery. It was the best day of my life.
I was excited, and I felt like this is really gonna work.
I slept 8 hours the very first night with it on, and it was like, wow.
I fell asleep and I slept and I woke up and I felt refreshed.
I look forward to sleeping now.
Welcome to the Inspire family. With Inspire, thousands of people with sleep apnea are now getting restful sleep, many for the first time in years. Now we're going to show you how to start using Inspire successfully. We'll let you know what you can expect in these first few weeks. We'll show you how to use your remote, and we'll show you how to tune your Inspire for optimal sleep and more. For now, we just want to set up your Inspire app and connect you with your doctor. As you watch the Heal, Tune, and Sleep videos, you'll understand the process and the way this device will become a part of your normal nightly routine. Let's start with the Inspire app. Download the app from the Apple App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play if you have an Android. You can find it by searching Inspire Sleep. To get started, click Create an Account to begin setting up your profile. You'll need to verify your email address and your phone number. That's so we can be sure you're an Inspire patient and that the app can share information with your doctors securely. You'll be asked to fill in other optional information too, like your age and weight. When you've done that, you can select a clinician. Navigate to the Find a Doctor screen and scroll through the listings until you see your doctor. Tap the plus and then tap Connect and Share. Now let's talk about healing in the next video. Remember, if you have any issues related to the Inspire device, reach out to your doctor or call 844-OSA-HELP.